So I finished my vacuum bucket today. Up here in the top, got my caps, my no-log, got me a little razor knife, some straighter cores, short tubes, some gaskets, acid tests, some depressors down there in the bottom. Of course, the Appion rebuild kits. I got a coil for when I'm doing those solenoids and need to recover refrigerant. Got some access tees, an extra check valve. Then on the other side, I really like this. Here I got my low flow regulator and my valve core tools. I don't have any of the mini split ones yet, but I don't normally do mini splits anyway. Then down below that, I got an inner bucket. This is where I got my 3-foot hoses because I use a Fieldpiece vacuum pump. Got a 20-foot heavy gauge hose. Got a power suicide cord. And I put that on a bucket. Cut the top off a bucket so I can pull that out easily. And then down below here, I got my little rag and a trash bag to clean up the work site when I finish. Bottle of water if I need to rinse something off or drink something. And then this is the coolest thing. Got a vacuum down here. I had to pull that bucket. And then down there I've got some used oil and some new oil. Needs to be all new oil, but I hadn't recleaned my tanks yet. But that's still a vacuum bucket. Slide that all the way back down. Everything just loads right up. Had to add this rope to it so that when you lock it in place, that you'd be able to get the lid off easy, because that thing actually clips that bucket. See, you can actually pick that bucket up by that. It's not advised, but that's why I had to get that. It's a pain in the tail to get that lid off without it. Well, thanks for watching.